Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install app from external sources or how we can fix the app not installed error on Android device. First, go to wherever you have your APK and click on it. Now you should be seeing this. Now if you're not seeing this open with dialog box, I'll show you how you can get to it in just a minute. If you are seeing this, select package installer and then click on settings, click on allow permission, and now your app will be installed, or you will be asked, do you want to install? If in your case you are asked, just click on install and your app will be installed. Now if you are not getting this dialog box, let me show you how you can get to it. So if you're not seeing this, this means that an app has been selected as a default opener for your APK files. So let me show you what that means. Okay, so now ShareIt has been set as a default app for APK. So if I click on this, as you can see, directly ShareIt is being opened. So how you can remove an app as a default if your app is set as default for opening APK files? Go to settings, scroll down, go to apps, and then select choose default apps. Here, scroll down till you find ShareIt. In your case, this can be any other app instead of ShareIt. It can be Play Store, Play Services, or whatever, and then click on clear defaults. And now if you open your APK again, as you can see, I'm seeing this open with dialog box. Now just click on package installer, click on just once, give it permission, and then your app will be installed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.